Hello, little girl.
Hello, teacher Nick.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Mary.
Mary. Nice to meet you, Mary.
Nice to meet you too.
Good job. Give me five. Okay. Mary, are you hungry?
No,
No. Are you sleepy?
no,
No. Very. Are you happy?
yeah.
Okay. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. Are you? If you're happy and you know, stomp your feet. Very good. Okay. Give me 10. Okay, Mary, can you please tell me what color do you like?
I like
Hmm.
blue.
I like blue. What color is your dress? What color is your
Blue,
dress?
white and blue.
Yes, it's white and blue. Very good. And what animals do you like?
I like rabbit.
You like rabbits? Very good. I like rabbits too. Where do you see rabbits? On the farm or at the zoo?
Farm is cat,
Mm-hmm.
dog, cow, duck, chick, chicken, and a zoo, bird,
It birds on the
monkey.
monkey on the farm.
No,
Hmm.
monkey.
I see birds, ducks, chickens, pig, horse on the farm. Very good. Okay. Now, do you like to sing songs? Yes, I do. Very good. Now, do you know this song? What's the name of this song? Big, big
Yeah.
turkey. Very nice. Now, can you please sing this song, please? Can you sing this song, please?
I'm a bird turkey. I eat and eat. I am so fat. I can see my feet. And I run, oh, whoa, 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 whoa. And I talk, oh, cow, cow, cow. I'm a bird turkey. I eat and eat.
Very good. Okay, when I'm hungry, I eat and eat.
Eat.
And when I'm thirsty, I drink water. Okay? Now, please tell me, is turkey big or little?
Big.
Big. Are you big or little?
Little.
Little, very good. Is turkey fat or thin?
Fat.
Fat, very good. Can turkey see its feet? No. Can you see your feet?
Yeah.
Yes, I can. Very good job. Okay, now here we have some cards. Okay, I'll show them to you and you tell me what is this. Okay, all right, go.
Milk.
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 Can you speak up? Do you like to drink milk?
Yeah.
Yes, I
Mm.
do.
Ice cream.
Good. This is butter.
Butter.
Very good. And this one, cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese on my pizza. Cheese on my popcorn. Scratch.
Rat.
Scratch.
Rat.
Good.
Fat.
Fight.
Fight.
Pinch.
Pinch. Cake.
Good. Hit.
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 Can you hit? Yes. Hit.
Hit.
Good. Ouch. Hurt.
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 Do you cry when you're hurt? Yes. Okay. This one. Noodles.
Noodle.
Noodles.
Noodle.
Good. And this one. Can you look here, please? Ah. Mm.
Hen.
Very good. Hen. This one. Ju juice.
Juice.
Good.
Hot dog.
Hot dog. Do you like to eat hot dogs? Good.
Salad.
Salad. Very good. This one. Pancake.
Pancake.
Yes. Jam on my pancake.
Jam on my pancake.
Very good. This one.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Good.
Popcorn.
Very good. Okay. Now, can you please tell me what do you want for dinner?
I like ice cream.
Ice cream for dinner?
And pizza and hot dog.
And pizza and hot dog for dinner. Very good. Now, you should speak up, okay? Now, if you want a snack, how do you say your mother? Mother, please give me
Is a hot dog.
for
Hot dog. Milo, give me for hot dog
mother, give me hot dog
for dinner.
for nice snack. For dinner is pizza and ice cream, okay? For snack, give me hot dog. Okay. Now here we have a song, Excuse Me. Okay, can you please sing Excuse Me song, please?
Excuse me, please, for over asleep. When you make a sound like this, I do. Such excuse me, please. Excuse me, please. Excuse me for pumping into you. So excuse me, please. Excuse me for the damage to do.
That's the nice thing to do. What are the nice things to say? What are the nice things to say? Okay, when we cough or sneeze, what do we should say? What should we say when we cough and sneeze? Like, achoo.
Excuse me, please.
Excuse me, please. Very good. What if you bump into someone? What do you say?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Very good. Nice things to say. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Excuse
Yes,
me,
please.
please.
That's okay.
It's okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You're welcome. These are.
I'm sorry.
I'm
That's
sorry.
okay.
These are some very nice things to say. Okay. All right. Good job. Now, here I have some letters for you, and you tell me how many sounds this letter make. Okay. First, the name of this letter, and then how many sounds. Okay. Go. This is letter
This is letter
J.
J. Make one sound.
What's the sound? J.
G.
J. J. Jam. This one.
This is letter P. Make
One sound.
mm.
P. P. Okay, this one.
Letter E.
I.
I.
R. Letter I. Three sounds. F.
F. I. E.
Very good. F-I-E. Now here, can you please tell me what letter is this and what sounds this letter make?
F. Yeah.
J.
J. Jam.
Jam. J.
J. Jammers.
Jammers.
J. Jump.
Very good. Jump. Now here we go.
Jam.
Jam. Can you read, please? Jam
Jam. Jam.
on
On
my
my
pancake.
pancake. Jam on my bread.
Bread
Bread. Jam on
in.
in my donut.
Very good.
But land on my head.
Very good. Here. Can you please hold the pointer, please? Thank you. Now, can you point p sound and say the word p? Where's the p sound? Letter P, p sound. P. Letter P, p, p. Pancake. P,
Pancake.
pancake. Where is the j sound? J. Yeah. What's this word? J. Jam.
Jam.
J.
Jam.
Jam. Very nice. Okay. Now this is our big book 6. Okay. Can you please sing? I see.
I see six lions sleeping in the sun. I see six rivers starting to run. I see six
Little, little baby
kangaroos.
kangaroos.
I see them all at the zoo.
Very good. How many little baby kangaroos do you
One,
see?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
6 little chicks.
6 little baby kangaroos. Okay. And what are the lions doing here? What are the lions doing? Sleeping.
In the sun.
Very good. I see 6 lions sleeping in the sun. These lions are sleeping in the sun. Very good. What animals do you see at the zoo?
I see birds,
Mm-hmm.
monkey,
Mm-hmm.
and rabbit,
Rabbits at the zoo? No. Rabbits are on the farm.
kangaroo.
Yes, kangaroo. Elephants.
Yeah,
And what about giraffe?
yeah.
What other animals we see at the zoo?
At the farm is cat,
I see cat.
cat,
Mm,
rabbit,
mm-hmm,
dog,
mm-hmm,
cow,
mm,
chicken,
mm-hmm. Yes, chicken.
and dog.
And dogs. Very good. On the farm, yeah? Very nice. Okay. Now, do you like to read stories? Do you like stories?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. We have a story, Jam.
Jam,
Jam.
yes,
Can you read, please?
jam, jam
On
on
my
my
bread.
bread. I like jam on my bread. Pizza,
Ayo.
pizza,
Ham.
ham,
Ham. Ham.
on my pizza. I like ham on my pizza.
Eggs.
Eggs, eggs on
With
with
my
my
rice.
rice. I like
Eggs
eggs on my rice.
with my rice. Eggs.
Eggs
Eggs with
with
my
my
rice. I like
Eggs
eggs with
with
my
my
rice. Noodles.
Noodle in
Noodles
my
in my
my
Soup.
Soup. I like noodles in my soup.
Good. Okay. Cheese
Tree.
in
In
my
my
sandwich.
sandwich. I like cheese in my sandwich. Milk. Milk on my
Milk
milk
with
in
my cookies.
cookie. I like milk in my cookie. Scat
Meat
meat on my
in my spaghetti.
I like meat in my spaghetti. Popcorn,
Butter
butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Salad, salad,
no, chicken.
chicken,
Chicken with
chicken, my salad. I like chicken in my salad. Ice cream,
candy. Candy on my ice cream.
I like candy on my ice cream. Cake, cake for my birthday. I like cake for my birthday.
The
And
and very good. Now, what do you like for your birthday?
I like cake.
I like cake for my
My
birthday. I like toys, cake, ice cream, mm, fruits, and sweets for my
birthday.
birthday. Very good. Good job, Mary. You have done a really great job here today. And our speaking time is over. And we are going to say goodbye, parents, and goodbye, everyone. See you again. Say goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Thank you.